Well, time to do some exercise. Hello Max. Doing exercise with that suit?
Don't talk to me please.
Oh, why?
I was walking and those fucking cops dogs began to chase me.
Do you have drugs or dog food on your pockets?
Yes man, I have drugs on my pockets but you have to help me.
Why?
Because when I was in the drugs effects, I began to run naked around the corner and the worst thing is that my girlfriend broke to me.
Why she broke with you?
Because she saw me naked and told me that my penis was very tiny. The worst thing is that she said that on my Facebook wall.
Man, you're very fucked up.